Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will discuss linear stability. Okay. Linear stability of a dynamical system. So first let us take a one-dimensional system. This is f of x, and let x equal to x star be, let this be an equilibrium point of this dynamical system 1. And also let us take a small perturbation eta t, which is denoted as x minus x star. Okay, this is small perturbation. Then this eta dot can be written as x dot, that is 0, this is constant, and dot means differentiation with respect to t, and this x dot is equal to f of x, and from this x equal to eta plus x star, so that is x star plus eta, so it has a function of t, so we can expand as Taylor function, so this is x star plus eta into a dash x star, and this is order of eta square. So as x star is a equilibrium point, so this will equal to 0, so therefore eta f dash x star plus order of eta square. This is the linearization of this system at this equilibrium point. Okay, or about this equilibrium point is equal. So from this equation, if this f dash x dot star not equal to 0, then we can eliminate this term. So by neglecting this, from this equation we say this perturbation will decay, exponentially decay, if f dash x star is less than 0, and exponentially grows when this is greater than 0. Okay. So if I discuss that about the stability of this system, so we first take a perturbation, that is x minus x star, where x star, x equal to x star is an equilibrium point of this system or dynamical system. So from this we get eta dot equal to eta into f dash x star plus order of eta square. So case 1, if f dash x star not equal to 0, then we can neglect this. We can neglect this, and therefore we get eta dot equal to eta into f dash x star. So depending on the sign of f dash x star, we can say that this equilibrium point is stable or unstable. So according as if this is greater than 0, we see that this eta, that is perturbation, will exponentially grows, because from this linearization of the system about this equilibrium point gives the solution eta t as if eta 0 into e to the power f dash x star into t, if we solve this. So whenever this is greater than 0, this will exponentially grows. So this implies that this perturbation will exponentially grow. That means that x star is unstable. Okay? And whenever f dash x star is less than 0, so this will be 0, that is exponentially decay as time tends to infinity. So therefore this implies that this equilibrium x star is stable, or you can say locally stable. Okay? So this happen whenever this term is not equal to 0. Okay? If this f dash, so दूसरा case, second case is this f dash x star is 0. So then you cannot neglect the term f dash the term order of eta square. So you cannot neglect from this equation. From this equation you cannot neglect this term. Okay? So therefore you need, or we need, non-linear analysis to show the stability of this equilibrium point extra. Okay? So non-linear analysis, we will discuss about non-linear analysis later. Okay? So now I take some simple example I have already discussed in the previous lecture by graphical method, but now I will show here by this theoretical approach. So we show this under these two conditions the equilibrium point of a given system is stable or unstable. Let us take the example. Let us take first example, x dot equal to sin x. Okay. So here fx is sin x, and for fixed point or equilibrium point we have to take fx equal to 0, and from this we get equilibrium point x star equal to n pi, where n is an integer, that is 0, 1, 2 dot dot, and also -1, -2 dot dot. Okay? These are the equilibrium points of this dynamical system. So therefore, if we find f dash x, so this will be cos x. Okay? And this gives f dash x star is cos x star. That is x star equal to n pi. So cos n pi. So we know cos pi equal to -1 and cos 2 pi equal to +1. So therefore we can find that cos n pi is equal to, when even, that then plus. So when n is even, so n is even, the value is 1, -1 when n is odd. So clearly, so this is f dash x star. So f dash x star is greater than 0 when n is even. That is, when n is even, then the equilibrium point will be unstable, and when n is odd, that is the f dash x star is negative, that is less than 0. So when n is odd, then this equilibrium point x star is stable. So from this we say x star equal to n pi is stable if n is odd, and x star n pi is unstable if n is even. So when even, this is unstable, when odd, this is stable. Now let us take another example. And also you see that, so from this, by graphical method, you see that this is sin x, sin 0, 0, pi 0, pi by 2, this is 1. So this is pi, this is 2 pi, and here 0, this is minus pi, this is minus 2 pi. So this is x dot and this is x. So as x star greater than 0, the arrow will right, and when x star is less than, arrow will left. So therefore this is stable. So pi, that is x star equal to phi, that is n pi, n is odd, so this is stable. So when odd, this is stable. So we have proved graphically. And similarly when this 2 pi, so from this you can see, as this is here and after that this is 3 pi. So here in this portion x dot is greater than 0, so therefore arrow will be right side. So therefore this is unstable equilibrium point. So whenever n is even, that is 2 pi, is unstable. So by graphical method we have proved that this n extra is stable when n is odd, and when n is even, the extra is unstable. So we have proved this graphically. By now we check analytically that this graphical method was true, and you can show the stability of equilibrium point by this method and also by this method. So let us take another example. So now we check the stability of equilibrium point for this logistic growth equation. So here this is function of n, that is in the place of x we put n. So therefore for equilibrium point or steady state we have to write Rn into 1 minus n by k equal to 0. So this will give n equal to 0, one equilibrium point, and n equal to k. So this is 2 n1 and n2. These are two equilibrium points. So now we find f dash n. So this will give you Rn, that is r into n1 minus this will be n square, that is 2n divided by k. So this is fn. So if we find fn1, that is 0, so this will 0, so this will be r. And if we find f dash n2, so this will give you r into 1 minus n is k, k minus k, k by k 1, so 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, so this will be minus r. So as this birth rate always greater than 0, that is growth rate always greater than 0, so therefore this is greater than 0 and this is less than 0. So from this we say n equal to n1, this equilibrium point is greater than 0, so derivative greater than 0, that is unstable, and from this n equal to n2, that is less than 0, so this equilibrium point is stable. So we saw this also by graphical method. Let us check. Something this was look like this. This is n equal to 0 and this was n equal to k. This is x naught. Sorry, this is this will be n naught. So this is n naught, this n. As this less, so this will this, and this is x. N naught greater than 0, so arrow this side, and here arrow this side. This is arrow this side. Yes, the left side. Sorry, this one. This will be left side. So therefore, this is stable. N equal to k. That is this. N equal to n2. That was k. So this is stable your point, and this is unstable. Okay. By graphical method, we also put that. So the question is, what happened when f dash x star is 0? So in that case, we cannot apply the general theory, what we have discussed. But in this case, nothing can be said in general. So the stability is best determined on a case by case basis, that is using graphical method. So for all of this example, f dash x star. So for each case, x star is equal to 0. Okay. For each case, x star equal to 0 is an equilibrium point, and if we find f dash x star, so for all cases it will be 0. But by graphical method, if we draw this by x and x dot, so from this we can say when x is positive, x dot will be negative. So x is positive, I see. function will look like this. So this is equilibrium point when x is negative, x dot positive. When x is positive, x dot will be negative. So these are the equilibrium point x equal to x dot, that is equal to 0. So in right side the x dot is negative, so therefore this arrow will look like this towards equilibrium point, and in that case the x dot is greater than 0, so arrow will be toward right side. Okay. So in that case, so graphical method we say this is stable. So for this system we draw this graph x dot equal to minus x cube, and we see this x equal to, that is x dot equal to 0 is stable equilibrium point. As in this portion x dot is less than 0, so arrow will be this side, and in this portion x dot is greater than 0, so arrow will be right side. So by graphical approach we can say the equilibrium point x dot equal to 0 for this system is stable. But the equilibrium point, same equilibrium point for this equilibrium point will be different. I will discuss that. So for this system the graph will be opposite, that is whenever x is positive, so x dot will be positive, and x is negative imply x dot also negative. So this is x dot, this is x, and this is x dot equal to 0 equilibrium point. Okay. So this is equilibrium point. In this portion x dot is greater than 0, so arrow will be this side, as greater than arrow is right side, and is in this portion the x dot is less than 0, so arrow will be this side. So by graphical method, so we can say this equilibrium point is unstable, as the arrow is away from the equilibrium point. And in this case the graph will be look like this. So this is x star equal to 0, and f dash x star also 0 in this case, but this is equilibrium point, and for both the side x dot is positive, so arrow will be this side, arrow will be this side, so arrow will be right side as both side is positive. So therefore from this is approaches to equilibrium, and from this side this is away from equilibrium point. So therefore, so if we write in a zoom version, so this portion will be stable portion and this will be unstable portion. So therefore you can call it as half stable. Okay? So in this case you can call it half stable. And another case is x star equal to 0, and if x not equal to 0, what will happen? If the system is x dot equal to 0, so therefore always the system will be look like this is the x axis will be the equilibrium point. So in that case the x dot not greater than 0 or x dot not less than 0, this is exactly 0. So from this we can say this equilibrium point x star equal to 0, neither stable nor unstable. Okay? So for today that's it. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. It will be very beneficial for your course in dynamical system or population dynamics, to show the stability of an equilibrium point of a dynamical system or for a period of a system by graphical method or by analytical approach. So it will be very helpful for your upcoming studies. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends who are looking for this type of videos. So thank you very much. Keep learning and keep watching my videos. Thank you.